So very good morning students, welcome back to first year physics. So in the previous class actually we finished about a escape velocity and as well as the orbital velocity is finished. Now let us will move to the problems on the basis of escape velocity and orbital velocity. So let will see the problems on the basis of both escape and orbital velocity, right? So the first problem, you look into the problem. So the page number, it is given in the 238 page number. 238 page number. 238 page number. Question number will be 5. See, question number is 5. See, I'll read the question. A satellite is orbiting the earth at a height of 1000 km. Find its orbital speed. Very simple. Is asking V naught is a question mark. So the satellite height is given 1000 kilometers above the earth's surface. Now is asking find a orbital speed. So that V naught is equal to question mark. There will be a formula G capital M by R plus H. Of course. So we know R is nothing but a radius of the earth 6400 kilometer and it is 6400 into 10 power 3. And here mass of the earth is approximately we can say 6 into 10 power 24 kg. And we know capital G also 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square it is. And come to the point, these values, now here you substitute, then we'll get the final answer, right? See, here the 1000 is given, that is also you write into meters, it is 10 power 3. So these values, let us substitute here, then V naught is equal to, so there will be a calculation that is little hard, no problem, but we have to do into mass is 6 into 10 power 24 by R plus H. See, R is nothing but a 6400 into 10 power 3 and 1000 into 10 power 3, of course. So V naught is equal to, so you remember everyone, here always we should do first, so the powers we should minimize, this is the way. So here you look at 10 power minus 11, 10 power 24, see 24 subtracted by 11, no, then we'll get the 10 power 13 it is. So you take root over 6.67 into 6 into 10 power 13 because minus 11 is subtracted, no, 6400 plus 1000 and here a denominator also you take a 10 power 3 is common. So in this 10 power 3 also cancel. V naught is equal to root over 6.67 into 6 into 10 power 10, right? By, here it is 6400, that added 1000, no? 7400 we can. So of course again 2 zeros will be cancelled. Then V naught is equal to root over 6.67 into 6, no? Then again you do 74 into 10 power or 100 into 10 power 10, no, it is 8, no, because 2 are cancelled, no, again you make the cancellation 2. So V naught is equal to, it is 6.67 or sorry to say 667 into 6 by 74 it is. So now this we have to do, clear, that is I'll tell you in calculator it is approximately we may get it is 10 power is there, no, 10 power it is, I think it is 8 is there, no, it is 6 because 10 is cancelled, no? See, there will be 2 or cancel, no, therefore you take calculation will be like this, see 667 into 6, so it is approximately 4200 by 74 root into 10 power 6. So again you divide this by 74, right? So this may get 54.08 root. Here is 10 power 6 is under the root, no? You take out from that 10 power 3 will get. And you take a root also here, that is will be like this. So the final answer we may get like this, root is a root 54.08 approximately 7.3 into 10 power 3 it is. It is the orbital velocity meter per second. This is the way. This is the way we need to get. Here it is given in kilometers per kilometers now. It is 7.3 into, it is 10 power 3 is nothing but a kilometers per second. This is the answer. Clear? It is the orbital velocity because h is given and is asking orbital velocity, root over gm by r plus h. G value we know, r value we know, mass of the earth we know, 6 into 10 power 24. These values we should remember if they will give or not. We remember this, mass of the earth and as well as the radius of the earth. Radius of the earth is 6400 kilometers and here mass of the earth is 6 into 10 power 24 kg. Clear? And you go through this. Clear? Right. Let us tell you another problem on the basis of this. Right. So question number 6. Question number 6. See, page number same, that is 239 page number. Question number 6. Right. Look at the question number 6, page number 239. Question number 6. A satellite orbits the earth at a height equal to radius. So there will be given r is equal to h, that is 6400 into 10 power 3 meters. The question only given, right? Find orbital speed, first one. V0 is asking. Second, period of revolution also asking. See, of course, period of revolution is nothing but a, that is about a what? See, first of all, we should get a this one, then after we'll see. So, V0 is nothing but a first one I am telling, root over G capital M by R plus H. See, of course, G value 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 and capital M is nothing but it is 6 into 10 power 24. Just now I told you this, all remember, we should remember. Okay, and come to the point is capital R and H is given equal 6400 into 10 power 3. So that you take this V0 is equal to root over G 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 into capital M 6 into 10 power 24 by, here it is R plus H equal, you say 2 into 6400 into 10 power 3. Of course, here we should take like this, 3 cancelled, here it is 10 power and this is also cancelled, so that we may get V0 is equal to root over 6.67 into 3 by 64. See, these 2 zeros also you cancel it. Then here 10 power 5 and this will come up 10 power minus 16. Minus 16 it is 10 power, if you subtract 10 power what happens, it is 16, no? So better you write 10 power 24 minus 16, right? So it is 14, maybe it is right, it is 7, 10 power 7 I think. No, this is will be 14 minus 6, 8 it is, 10 power 8 it is, right? So this is will be like this, and you simple calculate, it is root over again, it is 10 power 4 you write, 6.67, otherwise you do like this, 6 into 10 power 3 by 64 into 100 again. So there will be a 10 power 8, no, this is cancelled. V0 is equal to 667 into 3 by 64 root, right, into 10 power, it is 6 will come out, no, 10 power 3. Root 64 is nothing but 8. So 8 it is into 10 power 3. Of course, you take a calculation again, root this 667 into 3. See, approximately the orbital velocity will be, it is equal to 5 point, see, after simplification I am giving, it may be approximately 5.59 into 10 power 3 meter per second. Suppose you want to say in kilometers, then V naught is equal to, it is 5.59 kilometer per second. So this is the final answer for orbital speed, right? Now is also asking period, no? Time period is asking. Look at time period is nothing but a 2 pi by omega, of course. So V is equal to actually R omega, no? Right here V is equal to R omega. In this omega is equal to V by R. But V is nothing but R plus H, no? Small r is nothing but you say R plus H. So that right here time period is equal to 2 pi by V by capital R plus H. So the time period will be 2 pi into capital R plus H by V. That's all. So here again you do the calculation in the same method. Already we know the V naught is we know, R plus H also we know, that is equal radius, no? That is this value substitute here. 2 into 3.14 into R plus H is nothing but a 6400, no? Into 2 6400, it is 10 power 3 because kilometers are given, no? V naught is nothing but a 5.59 into 10 power 3, it is meters. You convert into meters, 10 power 3 is cancelled. Therefore time period will be T is equal to 4 into 3.14 into 64, right, by 5.59. Suppose you simplify this, you may get the final answer will be approximately 3.94 hours. 3.94, or you say it is a 4 hours. This is the way we should do like this. Clear? Right? It is the orbital velocity and the time period. So we should do the calculation like this. So go through this problem. Okay. Right. There is another problem on the basis of this same orbital and escape velocity. Right. See the problem, page number 240, page number 240, question number is 11, 240, question number is 11, right? Yeah. So two satellites are revolving around the earth at a different heights. The ratio of their orbital speeds are given. See, two satellites, we say it is an earth, is a mass, and one satellite is at h1, another satellite is at h2. So which are revolving around the earth in a different orbital speeds. We say like this. The given is like this. Okay, right here it is h1 and h2. So the ratio of orbital speeds are given. This is v1 you say, and it is v2. So v1 by v2 is equal to given as 2:1. And here one of them at a height of 100 kilometer. So one is given, h1 is equal to given as 100 kilometers. what is the height of the other satellite. So he is asking other satellite height. So of course V is equal to G capital M by R plus H we can, right. So that you say V inversely proportional to directly root over R plus H. Suppose you want to say V1 and it is an H1. So V2 inversely proportional to root over R plus H2. Clear? Here it is one height of the satellite is given and a ratio of the two satellites also given, speed of the satellites also given. So that V1 by V2 is equal to, it is root over R plus H2 by R plus H1 it is. V1 by V2 2 by 1 root over R plus H2 by R plus H1. So squaring on both sides if I take, then 4 by 1 is equal to R plus H2 by R plus H1. Of course, see we know R value, then you do cross multiplication, 4 of R plus H1 is equal to R plus H2. So we need to find H2 no? Then here 4R plus 4H1 is equal to R plus H2. Of course one R is cancelled, 3R plus 4 into H1 is given 100, H2 it is. So 3 into 6400, right. It is given kilometers no? So that you take 400 it is equal to H2. 6400 no? 64 into 3. See 3 4s are 12 and 3 8s are 18 and 19. So 19 like this, 192, 2 zeros plus 400. So second orbital at a height of 19 it is 600. H2 is equal to 19600 kilometers. This is the problem which we can do like this. Yeah, 19600 kilometers, or you say 19,600 kilometers. So this is the one problem related to the orbital speed, right? Because two satellites are given at different heights and the ratio of speeds also given. Is asking second satellite which is at a height of. So H2 we need to find, so that H2 we can take the way we can get like this. Clear? Now come to the next problem. In the same page number there will be another is given, that is the 13th question you look at. Yeah, the question number 13th. Calculate the escape velocity of a body from the earth's surface. Same page number. Right. Question number 13. Calculate the escape velocity of the body. Is asking VE, escape velocity of the body. First question. If the second one, if the earth were made of wood, its what mass would be 10% of its current mass. See, earth is to be made with wood. Is given earth is to be made with wood, but we know mass of the earth is 6 into 10 power 24 kg, right? And come to the point is, what would be the escape velocity if the earth would made of wood? See, what will be the escape velocity if it is made of with wood? Is asking, right? Here, come to the point is, we know escape velocity of the body on the earth's surface. First one, V is equal to root over 2GR. So it is earth without wood. So with wood we need to find. So we know this 9.8 into 6400 into 10 power 3 if I take, then it is approximately 11.2 kilometer per second. It is not required to do because we know, because already we did this one, right? Let I want to tell you next one, that is about a second case B. Look at the B. The given is mass of the earth if where wood made of wood, so that mass is reduces by 10%. See, for wood you take 10 by 100 into mass of the earth. So m dash is equal to 10 by 100 into 6 into 10 power 24. Because original mass of the earth is what? 6000, 6 into 10 power 24. But when it is made of with wood, the mass is reduced by 10%. So that here you cancel this 0, 1 0 also cancel. So m dash will be 6 into 10 power 23 it is. Now you get a escape speed is equal to root over, you say it is 2g m dash by capital R. So VE is equal to root over 2g into 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 into m dash will be 6 into 10 power 23 by capital R, 6400 into 10 power 3. See, again the calculation is same. So here we can say like this. So similars we can cancel it. So better this 10 power 3 is cancelled, and as well as 2 more zeros are cancelled. So that left over you write first escape speed is equal to root over 2 into, here it is 2 into 6.67 into 10 power minus 11, right, into 6 into 10 power because 5 is cancelled, no? 10 power 18 is left, and here 64 it is. So VE is equal to root over 6 into 12, it is 12 into 6 power 7 into 10 power 18 is there, no? See, from 18 if I subtract, therefore we may get 10 power because 11, no, it is maybe 7 by 64. So if I take this, say we may get approximately 3.536 into 10 power 3 meter per second. So if I say in kilometers, 5.536 into, it is meters kilometer per second. See, if wood is, I mean to say earth is made of with a wood. If earth is made of with a wood, there will be a escape speed is, it is reduces by like this. Because it is depend on mass of the planet, no? That's what the mass is reduces, therefore escape velocity also it is reduces, because directly proportional to mass, inversely proportional to radius. So mass reduces, escape velocity also reduces of the given planet. So suppose you go through like this, I think it is 3 point, this is 3 point. Clear? So that it is about a related to orbital and escape velocities on the basis of this. So these are the problems, so which we did. And here another problem also is there. Suppose you want to do it some the same page number, question number 12. See, question number 12, suppose you do as homework, otherwise I'll tell you in the next class. And after this, let us we have a next topic is there, that is about a satellites. So that is a geostationary satellite, that we'll see in the next class, and continue with the new topic. Thank you very much.